Has anyone wondered if there's a magic amount of push-ups that will grow muscle and redefine strength, especially after 40 years old? Let's look at a way to do push-ups that will get you results and avoid the common mistakes most guys do. Stay till the end for a push-up regimen to build muscle for beginners, intermediates, and pros. To begin, it's important to know that doing push-ups and other resistance workouts for the same muscle groups every day is not the best way to get fit. When you do workouts like push-ups, squats, and pull-ups, your muscle fibers get tiny tears. Imagine that you didn't give these muscles enough time to heal. These small tears can add up over time and cause overtraining or even injuries. Your muscles work even harder when you get good at the push-up. They are constantly contracting, pushing back against your body weight and keeping tension. These moves, which are called concentric and eccentric movements, are great for working out your pectorals, deltoids, and triceps. Your muscles need to move and fight against gravity at the same time. This causes those very small tears we talked about earlier. But now things get interesting. These tiny tears make your body go into superhero mode. It makes more hormones and sends more resources to these muscles that have been worked out. Your muscle fibers will then heal themselves and grow back even bigger and stronger. Let's clear up the common belief that if you perform push-ups every day, you'll see results immediately. Real muscle growth happens when you're not actively exercising. In response to exercise, the body increases hormone production and kicks off the process of muscle protein synthesis. It's like having a personal maintenance crew for your physical form. However, there is a catch. Daily push-ups mean that the maintenance crew is kept occupied with fixes rather than improvements. As a result, you're doing more harm than good, preventing your muscles from recovering and expanding. More isn't necessarily better, so give your muscles time to rest and recover, and you'll be amazed at how much bigger they get. Now let's answer the burning question. What's the optimal number of push-ups for muscle growth? How fit you are determines the answer. It's important to tailor your push-up strategy to where you are in your fitness journey. Remember that doing push-ups on a daily basis has no positive effects. Let's not go that way. Let's plan a muscle-building push-up program. Balancing volume and sets is crucial. High-volume sets should challenge but not overwhelm you. Keep it around 5 and 6 sets to protect your joints. Keep in mind that push-ups shouldn't dominate your workout. Your fitness level and goals determine whether push-ups are your rockstar compound exercise or a supporting act to main exercises like the bench press. High-energy compound exercises should start your program and isolated exercises follow. After an intensive workout, muscles may need 48 hours to recuperate. Spread out your push-up days with resting days. You may do push-ups on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays and rest on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and weekends. Now let's talk about nutrition. The appropriate nutrition is essential to muscular gain, much like an epic meal. Without enough protein and a tiny calorie surplus, your efforts may fail. Target 1-2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight and 250-500 calories in excess. It's more than training hard. Smart feeding is really important. Lastly, let's address some frequently asked questions. First, the everyday push-up problem. You can build muscle by doing push-ups daily with rest. However, executing them non-stop may inhibit muscle growth. Recovery is key. 2. Do push-ups build chest? Pectoralis major chest muscles can be built by push-ups. Combine them with the correct diet and program. Number 3. When should you push up? The best time depends on your body's rhythm. Some favor mornings, others evenings. Find what works for you. Push-ups 1-2 hours after a carbohydrate-rich meal improve performance. For today, that's it. Share in the comments section your current push-up record and your goal for where you want to be in a month with this old but gold exercise. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you learned anything from this. See you in the next video.